Sawadee-ka, So Foodie, Chef Nikki here, and today we're going to one of my favorite places, the beach, to the southern part of Thailand, because we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes, which is pineapple, cashew, fried rice. Khao Pad Sapparot. Get ready for a tropical flavor explosion straight out of my cookbook. Let's tie things up. In Thai, khao pad means fried rice, so khao is rice, pad is stir fry, and that leaves sapparot, which means pineapple. The southern part of Thailand is a peninsula that is surrounded by the most beautiful beaches. We grow lots of pineapples and cashews. I like the natural sweet and sour taste from the pineapples, and the cashews add crunch and nuttiness. If you can't find a fresh pineapple, use pineapple chunks that are canned in water. Now here are 4 quick tips on how to pick the perfect pineapple. You want to make sure that it's not overly green and not overly too yellow, so it's kind of right in the middle. You want to make sure or test, see if you can pull a leaf right out of the middle, super easy. And you want to see if it has a good weight. That means it's full of juice. Lastly, when you pick it up and you can smell the sweetness of the pineapple, it is going to be a perfect one. This will guarantee you a nice sweet and sour pineapple. Now, let's cut into it. Cut the pineapple in half. Then we're gonna cut around the inside of the pineapple. Square it out. Scoop out the meat with the spoon. And then slice the pineapple chunks for the fried rice. Set the hollowed out pineapple aside for a fun twist later. And to keep it tropical, we're gonna use shrimp as our protein. Let's get cooking. Heat a dash of oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Then we're gonna add the shrimp. Stir fry the shrimp until slightly pink, then move it to the side. Next, add the eggs, scramble on the empty side of the pan. Add the garlic and yellow onions and cook until fragrant, which, as you know, about 10 seconds. Next, we're going to mix in the rice and my stir-fry sauce. Use the back of a spatula to separate all the rice grains. Don't chop the rice. Lastly, we're gonna add the pineapple, cashews, scallions, and tomatoes. This is where the magic happens. All the flavors come together to create something truly special. Another version you might enjoy is to add yellow curry powder, often found in Thailand as well. It gives a little kick to the dish and adds a nice pop of yellow to your rice. There you go, another recipe just for you. Serve your fried rice in the hollowed out pineapple that we made earlier for that extra wow factor, and garnish it with some scallions. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that takes you to the beach. Let's taste. This looks scrumptious. I can literally feel like I'm at the beach. I can feel the breeze in my face. I can smell the scent of the ocean and that burst of flavor in my mouth. Man, you have to make this. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikky. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikky.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thank you for joining me on this flavor-filled journey. It has been an honor to take you through the culinary world of Thai food. Until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ Going back right in. Need that pineapple. So good. อร่อยมาก